We can get a timing on this.
We don't have to time it.
We might not come back.
Henry, did you ask him?
Jason, let's just go on.
He can do it. Yes, he already asked him. Yes, he did.
No.
He did. They did.
Jason, you coming?
Henry, are you guys going to time it for real? You can. You can.
Okay.
Why don't you time it?
We can time it.
All right.
We'll get back out.
All right. So Henry. Okay. Yes. Okay, Mike, you gotta hold it from the sides. Are we gonna do it from the side? Yeah.
Look out for that rock down there, Mike.
We're going out again. Go.
Oh.
Try to stay a little out of their way as they're trying for this record. You got 35 seconds. You can do this.
Go!
Push! Hey, you're on pace. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah! Yeah!
108. We beat the record.
Hey, Jeff, what was that shit about not beating the record?
Hey, go get the milk jug, would you?
I got it.
Hey, Mike,
All right.
Well, that was like.
Henry, do you want to put that in the truck and drop it off? You want me to drop it off at the house?
What?
Your
We're gonna
boat?
have more fun with this.
Do you want me to drop it off at the house? Because I'm going to leave soon, so you need to do something with the boat. I think you have to go back to school, don't you?
No, I don't. This
Yeah,
is
well-
7th hour.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, but how are you going to get it back to the house?
Just walk it up to Mike's house.
You can.
Okay.
Are you gonna go out for fun a few more times or something?
Probably.
Shall we leave the shovels here? Okay.
Okay.
Can you guys leave this here? They'll take it to my house. It's only a few blocks. They'll have to carry it. They're young, strong. What the heck?